Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can chat with Quizlet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Quizlet app and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Quizlet apps on the screen, where you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Just tap over there, and now you can see your settings option. You simply need to select that option, and now you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the help center. So once you find it, simply tap on that option, and now you can see the Quizlet logo. Yeah, now you can chat with Quizlet successfully. So basically this is how you can chat with Quizlet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.